So I told you I want to learn testicular examination. So cover testicular examination first, and then if you have time or if he asks any question about inguinal examination, then tell about that. Okay.
Oh, yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay. And after that, you forgot about data gathering part. You did not mention data gathering. So in order to do data gathering for this specific station, what you can say is that, the first step of the any examination patient is to talk to the patient. We will be asking him about his presenting complaint and then elaborate it a bit further, asking past medical history, asking some lifestyle questions. And also it is important to rule out red flags. And then we will move to the examination of the patient. These lines you will say to your colleague to cover data gathering.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
And after that, different steps of examination. You did really good that you asked me and I told you that you appreciated me. And then after that, I told you that I know the anatomy, so you don't need to cover that. But if your colleague is not sure about the anatomy, then just tell him about these things. Like, there are two testes. They are located in the bag of the scrotum, and behind each testes, this epididymis is there, and then it opens into vas deferens, and these are the structures will be located here. And second thing is that, on the inspection, we not only look at the groin area, we not only look at the testicular area, we will be also looking at the groin area and abdominal area. Tell that to your colleague, because we will be looking, you told that correctly, we will be looking for any swelling, scar, ulcer, skin changes, rash, any discharge, whatever you are seeing, and on that. On palpation. Yes. Any question? Please mute yourself. Who is talking? Okay. And after inspection, here you diverted to the inguinal examination, Dr. Aditya. Move to the palpation first. After inspection, move to the palpation part. Talk about temperature, talk about tenderness. And in the tenderness, when you are doing the palpation, you do it to like superficial palpation and then deep palpation. In superficial palpation, you will just be looking for tenderness or pain. In deep palpation, you will be looking for any mass or lump, and you will be palpating the structures properly. So here you cover the management part about tenderness. Like I mentioned, you can say if testis is tender and patient was coming with pain in the testicular area. So here you need to rule out an important emergency, which is testicular torsion. So in order to rule that out, we have a special test here. We call it Friend test. You can cover management in this way at this point. Either you can do this thing or you can do the other thing I will tell you later on. Okay.
Okay.
So if we are suspecting, okay, one thing is that you don't need to mention all the tests because you will do the special test according to your scenario. If it is patient is coming with pain, you are suspecting testicular torsion, you will be doing this Friend test and cremasteric reflex. But if patient is coming with hernia, you will do cuff impulse and hernia related tests. If patient is coming with a cystic swelling, then you will do transillumination and fluctuation test. So you need to be vigilant here. You need to tell the specific test because you don't have much time. You need to cover the thing, one thing, and cover that. The point is this. Okay. If I am covering his testicular torsion, I will tell him about Friend test, and it's plus minus to tell about cremasteric reflex. It's up to you. If you think you have time, tell him about that. So if this reflex is lost, then it is pointing towards testicular torsion. After that, after telling him about this test, you will tell him if it is the Friend test is that when we are elevating the testes and pain is not gone, then we will immediately involve our senior and shift our patient to the theater because it is an emergency and we need to do emergency surgery to save the testes. You will verbalize these things. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
This is a one way to cover your management. And within when you are saying that, mention about baselines as well. And after that, one way is this, and another way is this. When you are doing deep palpation, if you find a mass, then comment on the size, shape of the mass, whether it is attached to the underlying skin or overlying structure, and if it is mobile or not, if surface is smooth or not. And then ask your senior, involve your senior, do specific investigations like baselines. If you are thinking about some cancer, then do tumor markers as well, and immediately refer the patient within 2 week time to the specialist. This will cover your management here. Okay. In the same way, you can cover the hydrocele management as well. You can pick any point in the management in here, and you can cover the management for that. Okay.
Yeah.
And when when you hear 6-minute bell, stop your teaching the patient, and then ask him any questions so far. Everything is clear so far. Do you have any question? Ask for his question. He will ask you some question, and then answer those questions and summarize your station. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
So you need to do exactly like this. I'm sure Dr. Aditya, you can now practice this station once again. And inguinal examination is okay if your patient is saying that he want to learn that. When you ask me what exactly you want to learn, I told you testicular examination. Sometime he might tell you, I want to learn inguinal examination, then cover that first and cover other aspects later on. So make your approach a patient-centered approach. Whatever your patient is saying, cover that, and then cover other things.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
You are welcome, Dr. Aditya, and your exam is very near. I wish you all the best. Please don't panic. These are doable things, and this is just the first time you are doing it. When you will be doing it one more time or twice, then you will master these teaching stations. Okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
You are welcome. And any questions so far?
No. Thank you so much.
Okay. So now Dr. Annie will cover her stations, and after that I will be doing the rest of the mocks. Now she will be taking her mocks. So I'm making her admin again.